is a short review of the LG 7 kilogram direct drive washing machine, and this particular module is the F0712WW, and as I said, this is a short review. This particular model was bought in Israel, but I guess they are the same all over the world. So let's start with the drawer where you put the washing powder. As you can see, it's plastic made. There are two compartments for the washing powder or gel, and this one is for the softener. It is a plastic one. It's easy to take out, wash and clean. And let's see about the drum itself. Well, as you can see, it got no handle in it, so you just pull it out. And apparently this apparatus here of the locker is locked when the actual laundry is inside. See, it closes like this, and there is also this compartment to take out anything that is stuck, or if there is a need to empty water stuck inside, you can do that from here. So let's talk about the operating of this washing machine. It's very similar to an older model I had. There are some improvements in this new one. So it's very simple. You've got this button here, which actually turns it on with the unique sounds that it's making. And then you can see here, this is the list of washing cycles and programs. So you can just go ahead and decide which program you would like. For example, if you would like a cotton one, you have here. If you like mix, you get here. And actually, if you are very standard in what you're looking for, then you just pick the washing machine cycle you want, and then you will press this button here, which will make it, which will run it. Let's look at the this part here, the panel here. Well, this panel gives you some more information about what the cycle that you're choosing is going to do, and gives you some more options to what you can do. The first thing that you can look here, this is the touch, by the way, a touch panel, so you can just touch and program to get some other options which you are looking for. So as you can see here, there is also add item, which means you can, after you have set your program that you like, you can just press it and open the drum, close it back, and it will continue with the same settings that you had before. Well, this machine, one of the extra feature of this machine is this download cycle, which you can see here, which means if one of the standard washing cycles that you have here is not suitable for you, there are some extra cycles specially prepared for in the company's website, and then what you have to do is you first have to download the special application from LG store on your Android or iPhone, and then when you run it, you can download some specially designed cycles, and then using this area here, which communicate with your NFC chip in your phone, you can download the special cycle to your machine. You can download, as far as I could see, only one cycle at a time, but if you want special cycles, and I will put some screen captures in the website after the end of this clip, so you can see some of them, but I'm guessing everything you can do or want to, you can also achieve from this panel. As you can see, you can select some intensive or have a pre-wash cycle, which means you'll have to put some powder in the second compartment, sorry, in the first compartment. Here you can save time if your laundry is not that dirty. There is also a special mechanism to, or a special cycle to clean the tube. You can add some rinse or just rinse, or have some grease care cycles. You can delay end, which is a very important feature that I find. If you are like me, you don't like to have your clothes just sitting for there during, after you've washed them. You can set your the time of end, which means you can just press the delay and you can put it in hours, so this cycle would change in about 5 hours or so. This part, I'm going to give you an example of how you can actually set the options that you want for the washing machine or the cycle. So I've already put inside the this washing machine some items that need gentle washing, gentle care, and I would like them also to be done without heating water, so to run it cold. So as you can see, very simple. I'm pressing the on button, I'm switching this to gentle care, and I will set it here to no spin, like this, and I would like it to be cold water, so I'm changing here the change to cold, and actually that is it. I will just press the play button and let it start. So as you can see in the panel here, it will show you exactly what happens with your machine. So first of all, you see it got locked here, so you won't be able to pull this. There is also a child lock, which means that if you press this button for 3 seconds, it will lock the whole panel. So if you have a small child in the house, he won't be able to change the setting or to stop the machine. You can see the next part. And also what you can see here is, and this is a very nice feature I found, how much time is left until the washing cycle is over, and in this case it's 21 minutes. I will show you another cycle in a moment, and you can see some other features of this machine. So in this section, the last part of this review, I'm going to show you some screenshots for the mobile application you can download from your store, and then you can enjoy some more washing cycles. So the first step that you will need to do is you will go to your app store. I'm using Android. I'm not sure there is an iPhone version. You can find out in the website. And you will have to download LG SmartThinQ app, which is general app for all the smart home things that LG makes. Once you download it to your phone, it should be a free app. You get into the application and then you do some kind of a registration where you have to get close to your washer and you practically need to touch it. There is a chip in your phone. If there is a chip in your phone called an NFC chip, it will be recognized by your washer and vice versa, and your washer will be registered. There might be some models out there which are Wi-Fi, but this model that I'm using here is a NFC, and the NFC must be enabled. So not every phone will work with this application. You'll have to find out when you download the application. So once you register your washer, you will go into this option window here, and once you click it, you get this menu. So you can see from the menu there are several options. This is the setting, of course, and there are some options for your customer support to connect with your washing machine to know if something is wrong with it. And there is also an option that will help you clean your tub. It will even tell you when you need to clean it. It will communicate with the washer and know how many cycles you've done so far, and it will recommend when to do the cleaning. But what we are interested in is in this download cycle. So when you go to download cycle, you will get into a list of cycles, and you can see there are already programmed cycle, for example, a saving time cycle, a single garment. If you have only one item to wash, it's a very short cycle. So you select one of the cycles that you would like to use, and then you download it to your phone, and then you will need to get close again to your machine, and you will download it to your washer. Once you get confirmed that the cycle is downloaded, you will be able to get to this downloaded cycle in the knob of the washer and just activate it. But as I said, again, I think you can do a lot with the panel just to program what you want, but this is a nice option as it is. I hope you enjoyed this review, and see you in some other reviews coming up.